What we're drilling today is the jerk. And we have 3 awesome drills for you today to take you from beginning all the way to mastery of the jerk. In drill number 1, we're working with a single size. We're switching to the right to the left, left to the right, and we're putting pauses in there. So for beginners, this is a lot easier to start with. In drill number 2, what we're doing is working on the doubles. Right to right, left, left. Again, we got some pauses in there to help you keep up with the tempo. And in drill number 3, we got single, single, double. We're working on both of them, combining the first and the second drill together. There's no pause anymore on drill number 3. If you're new to my channel, I'm Seach. I teach and I make dance tutorial videos. If you find my videos helpful, do me a favor, hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already, because it really helps with the algorithm. My tutorials are dance along videos, which means you can practice along with me as you watch. Each exercise is about 1 minute. Not too long, but enough to build muscle memory. My challenge to you is to try to do the entire drill with me. If you can't do it at first, it's okay. Try again tomorrow, because building coordination takes time and patience. Watch towards the end of the video to get my tips and detailed explanations on each drill. This is where I give my specific techniques on how to overcome common mistakes. Now, if you're ready, I'll see you in the drill. Enjoy, have fun, and make it funky. now for drill number 1, this is working on the single leg, okay? The first 2 8 counts, what we're doing is we're pausing on every time we do it. So we pause on every 2, 4s, and 6. So check it out. When we start, I have my right leg in front, okay? I'm gonna turn to the side, you can see. Right leg in front. Now, my weight is gonna be on my back leg. If my weight's on my front leg, I can't jump off this leg, okay? So my weight's on the back leg, slightly. So if I were to give a certain percentage, I would say it's really close to like maybe 75% on the back leg, 25% on the front leg, just slightly, okay? But right before I jump, okay? So the key is you gotta go from here immediately to basically 100%. All your weight's gotta be on the back leg. So then right now, you're just gonna hop forward, okay? Now the question is, how far forward do you do? Right now, just go a little bit. As you get better and better, you know, you could probably make that move bigger, okay? But right now, just this is fine, okay? So you're hopping forward, 6, 7, 8, 1, and on the end, that's when you put your weight down, okay, on the back leg. So hop on the 1, and on the end, exchange your weight to the back side. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and then we're just gonna pause. We're gonna wait, because when you first start with this, it takes time. So let your body rest. We're gonna rest on the 2, 4s, and 6, and 8. So the first 8 count looks like this: 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, okay? And we repeat that. So the first 2 8 counts, we pause on every 2, 4, 6, 8, okay? So let's try that one more time. I'm gonna face same side here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Again, this is drill number 1, the first part of it, okay? So the second part of it, we're only pausing, we're only stopping on every 4. So 4, 8, 4, 8. So this is what I mean. So we're gonna go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 4, this is when we pause. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, okay? So again, these are the following 8 counts. What I'm gonna note is pause on 4, okay? When you see the sign, pause on 4 versus pause on 2, okay? Pause on every 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So pause on 4, you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, pause on 4, 5, 6, 7, pause on 8. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay? So that's our drill number 1. Again, the tip, the key thing about this is when you first start, maybe hold on to the wall, hold on to the chair if you need to. If you don't need to, this is a great way to work on your balance as well. Okay? And again, you're hopping forward. So great way to start. Just balance on one leg, okay? And just hop forward. But at the same time, there's an exchange, okay? So if I go like this, my right leg's in the front, and when my left leg is hopping forward, my right leg is going back, right there. That exchange, okay? So you want to make sure you get that exchange. So it's not hop forward and then bring it back, because then timing will be off. Make sure you do it at the same time, okay? And also, what I got, 1 and. On the end, I kind of exaggerate right there, but I want to go 1 and. Make sure my weight, your weight, as soon as you can, put your weight here. So you don't want to go 1 and. If you just tap your feet down and your weight is still in the front, that's not going to be good. So I want to go 1 and. Right on the end, I want to make sure my weight is in the back side. Then that transition will be better, okay? So, if there's no questions, get to the next drill. If there is a question, obviously, drop it down in the comments below. I'll get to them as soon as possible. And that's it. And I'll see you in drill number 2. We're talking about drill number 2 now. And drill number 2 of the jerk, this section, we're working on the doubles, okay? What does that mean? I'm gonna show you. So, starting with our right leg forward, I'm gonna go 1 and 2 and. Basically, I'm just stepping back, front, back, okay? So I'm gonna hop 1 and 2 and. That's it. It's just a quick rock. It's actually, to me, actually, this drill is actually easier than the first drill, okay? But let's try that one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and. All right? We hold the 3, 4. Now, the other side. 1 and 2 and. Or 5 and 6 and. So here we go. Right leg, then left leg. 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. So we're pausing on the 4 and the 8 for the first 2 8 counts, okay? And the second 2 8 count, there's no pause. Second 2 8 count is just constantly going. So the beat, the rhythm actually is a little bit slow, so it's actually really good. You should feel that you're warming up a little bit, okay? So one more time, let's do the first 2 8 counts together. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2. Ah, my bad. Scratch that, we're gonna cut that. Okay, so let's do the first 2 8 counts together. Okay, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. It's just there, that's it, okay? Second 2 8 count, there's no pause, no break, so you just have to continuously go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7. Again, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and. Good. So minor tip here, I basically keep my weight right in the center, and it's just rocking back and forth like this. Okay. Now, if you want to add something extra to it. So this would be for when you have this down, you feel like you're really comfortable with it, then I would kind of really hop it. This is very, very similar to the Roger Rabbit, okay? I'll make another video just showing the difference between the two, but these two moves are very, very close, very, very similar, but the beat, the accent is a little bit different. So let's focus on this for now. So what I said is when you get better, you can get that rock versus just stepping, okay? All right, there's no questions. I'll see you in the next drill, but if there is, don't hesitate to drop in the comments below with your questions, comments, and concerns, and I'll answer them as soon as I can. All right, guys, see you in drill number 3. Here we go, we made it to drill number 3. This whole thing here, this pattern to me, is the jerk, all right? You have the single plus the double. Now, most of the time I see people do the jerk, they just kept it with the singles. I like to make sure that my students know how to do the doubles as well. It's your choice. Whenever you get down, if you want to keep it with the singles, that's fine. If you want to mix it up, to me, that's even better. So that's what we're going to do in this drill. We're going to mix it up, doing the singles as well as the doubles, okay? Starting the right leg forward. I'll switch sides as well. So right now, we're going to face front. 7, 8, 1 and 2 and. Messed up. Let's try it again. So here we go. We got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and. So the first two, actually the first 3, we're doing singles, right? Single, 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 and then you do the double on the 4, okay? So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and immediately go to the other side, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. So for this drill, there's no variations. We pretty much do the same thing for 12 entire 8 counts, all right? So in a sense, it's easier because you don't have to think about how to switch the patterns, okay? Single, single, double, single, single, double, all right? Now, one thing that I didn't do in the drill, but I'm gonna add to you right now, use your arms, okay? So when I do this here, I can kind of just go. This helps with the momentum. So it's almost like, imagine some invisible bar right here, and I'm pulling it, so it makes me jump forward. Make sense? You could do that if you want to. For me, it kind of helps with my balance, so go ahead and add that in, and you can kind of make it cool. Feet. Okay? Arms optional. Here we go. 2 8 counts with me. 5, 6, 7, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7. One more time. Boom, boom, boom. All right. Hope you guys had it. Hope you guys had fun. The jerk, great move. Very, very close. Very, very close to the Roger Rabbit. Learn both. If you don't know the Roger Rabbit, I'm gonna have a link to it. This whole thing is in my Footwork series because knowing all the different footworks is the key to great fundamental start to your dance journey. All right, guys, I had fun. Hope you guys did too. Until next time, I'm Siege, and I'll see you in the next drill. Out.